Hello everyone, my name is Zio Di Villarmenti. In this video, I'm going to explain to you mixture. Mixture is a combination of two or more substances. Example, this hot water and sugar and this powdered Milo. Now, it's a mixture. There are two types of mixture. First is heterogeneous. Second is homogeneous. Now, let's go back to heterogeneous. For example, this bowl of junk food. You can see the ingredients is chips, green peas, corn, and peanuts. And then let's head to homogeneous. Homogeneous is a mixture, means the same. You cannot see the different parts of mixture. Like for example, this lotion, you cannot see the ingredients because the ingredients is mixed, so you can only see the lotion. Another example of homogeneous is this oil. You cannot see the ingredients, you can only see the oil. Thank you for watching. Always remember, always study and be happy. Bye!